Hi guys! Welcome to our first ever vlog. And now we are going to talk about and visit the Negrito people.
Let's go!
The term Negrito historically referred to various populations in Southeast Asia, the Philippines, and other parts of the world who had distinct physical characteristics such as dark skin and tightly coiled hair. They are believed to be one of the earliest inhabitants of the region with a long history dating back tens of thousands of years. Negrito groups are considered to be among the indigenous peoples of Southeast Asia and have diverse cultures. Negrito people have traditionally lived as hunter-gatherers, relying hunting, fishing, and gathering wild plants for their sustenance. Their way of life is typically nomadic, moving within their ancestral territories in search of food and resources. 16 of the Negrito groups live in the Sierra Madre mountain range that extends north and south down the entire eastern side of Luzon Island. Each group speaks its own Austronesian language, which 13 of the groups call Agta. The tag name of the Negrito could be Little Black. The Negrito refers to several ethnic groups in Southeast Asia who are considered among the earliest inhabitants of the region. They are believed to have originated from Africa tens of thousands of years ago.
Now, let's proceed the Negritos challenges they face in today's generation and how they cope those challenges. The Negritos, like many indigenous groups, face challenges such as discrimination, marginalization, loss of ancestral lands, and economic disadvantages. They cope through resilience, community support, cultural preservation efforts, and advocacy for the rights. Education, healthcare access, and economic empowerment programs also play a crucial role in addressing these challenges.
How can we protect and promote indigenous people?
By recognizing and supporting the rights of indigenous peoples, promoting education awareness, and fostering sustainable development, the nation can ensure that the rich heritage endures for generations to come.